Hey guys, and welcome to another video where today I am playing Booga Booga. Oh, I was on the egg. The egg flew. It flew. Did the egg make this work? Yay! Now, and right.
And then on Christmas, here's Christmas. Whoa!
There are Azurite chests. Cool.
Azurite chests?
Yes.
Let me see that. Let me see the Azurite chest.
It's that.
Whoa!
600 coins. That's the only way of getting it. Now. So it's not where your mouse is anymore, it's in front of you? Wait,
Yeah.
that sucks.
Yeah, that's super hard to get up now.
I think I'll smelt my iron too. Now.
Squad raft holds 4 people.
Squad raft.
5!
And that is including the driver.
The driver's in the back. Wow.
Oh, it changed.
Yeah.
It changed how you do that too. Got a squad raft. No, it's easier. Yeah. I must has food from the peeper.
Oh, was it this?
Punt.
Mine was
Fun.
Is there more tuna made or not?
Drop that and drop these.
Hey, David. You know the bowl of the tuna stuff that you made? Can you add another can of tuna to it? Yes, it's in the den.
Okay,
Can you please add another can of tuna to it?
Now that I've got that,
David, go do it. Mommy, that's in my face.
I have 2 Azurite bars.
da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
I can make an Azurite warhammer. Wow. Something sarcastic on the wow. Wow.
Yes. Why are you?
He's not even wow. Now you're not being like that.
Wow.
Doing it.
I can't believe that you are faking it. I am not saying
David,
wow.
you know what?
No. Wow. What? What do I know what?
You're doing right now? Oh, no.
Let's see if I can get there quickly.
Higher reminder.
Can you tell how much it costs? 65. And how much is that? David, did you add a can of tuna to it?
No.
David? Oh,
What?
good.
Wait, go down to the anti-combat log. How do you get on it?
The anti-combat log? What's the anti-combat log?
Under in hotfix.
Damn it. Haven.
How much?
How do you get the inside on that wall?
James, can you get there's a bowl of white stuff in the den fridge. Can you get it out, please? And put it on the dining table.
Randy Kane of death. Lydia doesn't like peanut butter. No! Oh, wait.
That guy's good. That guy's good. Estelle, and let's see if that's you. Is he safe? Are you sure?
I am just trying to get up. Or at least figure out how I can.
Really stuck. I wish you could swim in this game.
That would be a lot. That would be a bunch of help. Yeah.
Yeah.
I need a wrong one. It's way over there. I need to go get that raw morsel and then maybe I'll just mind the Shelly.
Here, leave your tribe and ask if you can join Teal.
Mm-mm.
Is he gonna kill you? Good, no. Take out
Oh,
your
that's a
pick.
crystal bag.
Whoa.
What?
It's either at level 1000 or 50 that you can make those.
Oh,
One
come
crystal
on.
thing, you have to be at level 1000, and then the rest are 50. Or maybe
He
those
doesn't have any crystals. He's Teal's.
Yeah, but he had a crystal bag.
Mommy? May I play Roblox?
Welcome through. You won't die.
I must get up. Oh. Water slows you down a large amount. I don't like that. Oh.
May I play Roblox?
I want to use time with Tim. Oh yeah, Tim, my skin is a Roblox meme.
No, not again. When you're partially in water, you go really slow.
Yes. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa.
I want to take it.
Yeah, most people would take it and then leave the game.
Come on.
Say reset. Yeah, use time.
I only have a little bit of time left. 'cause we only have like 3 minutes before we really have to go.
3 minutes?
Yeah, about as much time.
So that's
Mhm.
30?
3. We really need to get going.
Yeah.
Whew! So close. Ah, come on.
And I need to eat a lunch, but David never finished with the tuna.
No! I can't get up.
They made it really comfortable.
Mhm. Campfire. Come on, don't I have it?
Why don't you quit the blue tribe and join teal?
I don't know.
Just do it.
I like that.
They've got a radio.
They do?
I thought she started 3 minutes, not 30. I know, I'm going to pass it down.
Is there a coin press?
No.
Coin
You
press.
need iron for a coin press. Actually, 3 steel. Oh. Oh.
Don't I have
Hey, he's
steel?
going to attack you.
No.
He's going to attack you.
But I used that.
He doesn't hurt you,
Huh. So,
I think. The mammoths can kill people.
if someone's riding them. But I'm just gonna go get some iron. Oh, come on.
The mammoth's after you.
What?
The mammoth's after you.
No one's riding it!
He trapped you.
Crap it.
Just destroy the thing.
David, take care of the tuna. James, can you go get me?
What? This one, sir.
Sam, are you done recording yet? Because we need to leave.
Hmm.
You started.
I can end my video. What?
You started more than 15 minutes ago.
I can end my video now.
Alright, guys.
So, well, that's going to have to be the end of my video. And I hope you like it. Remember to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And it's shorter than normal, okay? Okay. Bye.